Looking for the perfect car remote starter? Whether you want to warm up your car on cold mornings or cool it down during summer, a remote starter transforms how you use your vehicle. From basic models to advanced systems with smartphone control, we've tested the top options. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best car remote starters that combine reliability, range, and value. Find links to all products in the description below. Make sure to subscribe for more vehicle tech reviews. Starting with number 5, let's check out the EASYGUARD EC002 Smart Key system. This universal remote starter brings RFID technology to most 12V vehicles. What makes it interesting is the touch password entry backup system. The installation process requires professional expertise, but the results are worth the investment. You can unlock your car doors automatically when you're 1 to 3 meters away with the key fob. The push start button adds a modern touch to older vehicles. Actually, many users report significant improvement in their daily routines after installation. If you're concerned about security, the hopping code technology prevents signal copying effectively. The system performs exceptionally well in various weather conditions, and the backup password feature ensures you're never locked out of your vehicle. You know what's particularly impressive? The system's compatibility with different vehicle models makes it a versatile choice for most car owners. Features you should know: universal compatibility with 12-volt cars, RFID passive keyless entry, touch password backup system, push start button installation, automatic door unlock lock. Moving to number 4, the PKE Remote Starter Kit offers both remote key and app control features. This system stands out with its dual control options. The smartphone app lets you control everything from engine start to trunk release. I do appreciate how smoothly the app interface works, providing real-time status updates of your vehicle. Because of its advanced integration capabilities, you can monitor your car's status from virtually anywhere. The climate control activation is particularly useful. Imagine stepping into a perfectly heated car on a cold winter morning. The system includes automatic climate control activation when you remote start your vehicle. Installation is straightforward for most vehicles, though some users might need professional help with complex electrical systems. The range extends impressively in open areas, and the response time remains consistent even in crowded parking lots. Key features include smartphone app integration, remote climate control, universal fit for 95% of vehicles, automatic door functions, multiple control options. Let's look at number 3, the EASYGUARD EC003 NV-1. This system takes convenience up a notch with its 3 to 6 feet detection range. Absolutely worth noting is its reliable performance in various weather conditions. The passive keyless entry activates automatically as you approach your vehicle. You don't need to worry about battery drain. The system is optimized for minimal power consumption. It includes remote engine start capabilities and push-button start functionality. If you're upgrading from an older remote start system, you'll notice the significant improvements in response time and reliability. The system offers excellent value for those wanting to modernize their vehicle's starting system. The control module's design allows for clean installation, and the wiring harness is clearly labeled for easier setup. Many users particularly praise its consistent performance during extreme weather conditions. Notable features: quick response passive entry, enhanced detection range, push-button start option, compatible with most vehicles, remote engine control. Taking the second spot is the Compustar CS92-S. What sets this system apart is its impressive 1,500-foot range. This means you can start your car from significantly further away than with other options. The system includes 2 4-button LED remotes and offers exceptional reliability. Actually, the build quality of these remotes is notably superior to competitors. The buttons provide tactical feedback, and the LED indicators are bright enough to see in daylight. It's particularly useful for diesel engine vehicles and includes trunk release capabilities. You know what makes this system special? The control module's programming flexibility allows for customization of various features. The system maintains consistent performance even in areas with high radio frequency interference. If you're concerned about durability, The remotes are designed to withstand daily wear and tear effectively. Standout features: extended 1500-foot range, dual remote controls included, diesel engine compatible, long-lasting battery life, intuitive button layout. Now for our top pick, the GIORDON Universal Car Alarm Remote Start Kit. This system earns the #1 position by combining comprehensive features with excellent usability. The remote sensing distance reaches up to 150 meters, and it includes both key fob and smartphone control options. Because of its dual control system, you're never left without access to your vehicle. The app interface is intuitive and responsive, providing real-time updates about your car's status. What makes it exceptional is its versatility. It works with 95% of 12-volt vehicles and offers pre-warming or pre-cooling functions. The passive keyless entry feature can be controlled through both the key and app, giving you flexibility in how you use the system. I do appreciate the thoughtful design of the control module, which includes diagnostic LEDs for easier troubleshooting. The system's response time remains consistent even in challenging environments, and the installation process is well documented with clear instructions. Premium features, dual control methods, extended range capabilities, climate control functions, universal compatibility, advanced security options. These remote starters transform how you interact with your vehicle. The GIORDON system takes our top spot for its blend of features and reliability, but each option offers unique benefits depending on your needs. Click the link below to check current prices, subscribe to driveloop for more auto tech reviews, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Leave a comment telling us which remote starter interests you most.